Hey friends, welcome to Adulting with Esther, the show where we talk about the things that you don't learn in school. I'm your host, Esther, and today we're going to be talking about the 7 things that you need to know to be able to sew by hand. If you're new here, welcome. Consider subscribing down below so that you can get alerts when we post our videos on Tuesdays, and go ahead and hit that like button if you're getting value out of this video so far. If at any point during the video you want to check out the description below, you'll be able to find links to things like the products I'm using here and links to other resources to help you out. Our third stitch brings us to point number 3, how to hem something. We're going to do this using the whip stitch, turning your pants inside out and cuffing the leg to the desired length. Hold the material in place by inserting pins and weaving them back and forth to hold the material in place. Insert pins all the way around the cuff so that the material doesn't get jostled while you're sewing and you end up having an uneven leg. Still working from the inside out, insert your thread all the way through both layers of your cuffed and the main pant. Make sure that you don't sew through both legs of your pants, because then your pants will get sewn together. Working from the inside, bring your stitch and needle back out. You've completed one stitch. Continue this process around your entire pant leg, going through both layers of the cuff and putting the needle through from the outside to the inside to finish the stitch. Your final stitch should end with the needle coming to the inside of the pant leg, where you can knot it off without showing the knot on the outside of the pants. It's important that the thread you use on your material is of the same color so that your hem doesn't show on the outside of your pants. Thing number 4, what to do when you have a hole in your clothing. How do you fix that?
On the 3rd day of sewing, Esther gave to me shorter length pants and a brand new ability.